In this one posted over on the MVP board, stock ticker symbol OTTV. See it right here on investorshangout.com. The MVP board got, looks like 81 posts so far today, 3,300 page views. So this one right here, like I said, this board is really popular for smaller stocks. And this is where the current contest is running right now. OTTV 0032. VNDM selling some nice charts. So it looks like that there's a seller right now. Keep an eye on this one. This is why I decided to do a quick one on this, is that you're bouncing off that lower Bollinger Band right now. That was the first thing that I noticed. So you tried to get through this 10-day simple moving average, couldn't get it, rejected it down, pushed it down. Now you're at that lower Bollinger Band, hitting a support level. Looks like an all-time low right now, as far back as I can see. Looks like that you got close to it back here in the end of October. And so now you fell through that. Now you're down below that. So keep an eye on this. When the selling stops, whatever, if there's dilution to raise money, whatever the case might be. But at 0032, put this one on radar. I think that this one could definitely bounce up off of here, but watch it. Not right now. That's not what I'm saying. I'm not saying right now. What I'm saying is that you're going to wait for that confirmation candle. Okay, when you see that green candle, that confirmation that's going to come back in, you could start bouncing up. Okay, you look at how low you were trading over here. You were hitting lows of 0041, and shortly after that, hit 3 cents. I mean, that's a huge run for such a short amount of time. Just 2 weeks, bam, right up through the ceiling. So keep an eye on that for that right there, because that might happen again. You got down here, look at what happened. It got down there the same way, coming down towards that lower Bollinger Band, went a little bit of sideways, got back inside there, traded sideways, and made its way through that 10-day and just took off. OTTV currently down 25.46%. I think it's going to head up in the short term. Like I said, short term, that's stuff that only a few days or so. That one on your radar. Joe, you want to add anything to this? He fell asleep.
Sorry, I had my thing shut off.
He's like sitting there talking. Yeah,
I was just talking to myself. So on November 15th, they announced that they were doing a pre-launch party and press event in Miami, December 13th, for their launch of their site. They're basically, what they do is they're a global entertainment and technology company connecting content owners and video distributors to deliver premium content on any smart device. And they are pleased to announce it will be hosting the pre-launch party. So they had that a few days ago, and the event showcased the Viva platform, and they allowed the attendees to use Viva OTT service, which includes thousands of VOD titles, over 1,000 radio stations, and live streaming global TV. The company will also have special performances by Grammy Award winner George Marino. So that was that. I'm wondering if the site's live now. I'm gonna click on it. Let's see. So you could go to that. I'll put this in there in the stream right now.
All right.
I'll link to it. That way you could pull it up. I literally just looked at it really quick, so I don't know. So then they had more news. So I'll go start with some other news with them. That was that on the there. So they announced that 3 days ago. I'm wondering when they actually launched this. So they welcomed on December 12th a new member to its board of directors.
Okay.
So, and they is pleased to announce the appointee of Rory Conaway to its board of directors. Mr. Conaway will serve as an independent director of the company. Viva's board is now comprised of 5, 4 of which are independent, with Mr. James Falcon, CEO, serving as chairman of the board. The company will leverage Mr. Conaway's vast experience as he brings a new dimension to a well-experienced board. The wealth of knowledge makes a perfect example of the company embarks on the global rollout of its cutting-edge OTT platform. So they're just rolling it out, I'm guessing, this platform. Let's see. So then right here on the 14th, they had another press release. Viva Entertainment Group signs affiliate deal with FlixFling. So FlixFling, let's see. The agreement will give Viva access to extensive FlixFling services, including a music and movie catalog with over 10,000 titles and consumers and its business partners. So that's that. I mean, I'm not really too familiar with any of this right here. So I mean, it's something you could. I'd definitely look into it. I mean, I don't think it's possible. I mean, they're launching this site right here. I don't know how it's going to do or whatnot. I mean, it's anybody's guess with anything like when it comes to websites. Some really go well, and then some don't. But I mean, this right here is they're in a marketplace that's demanding right now and growing.
Right.
That's all I have to add, David. I don't really.
Okay.
I mean, I could go into the file links and everything else, but I'm gonna keep
That's
it sweet and short.
OTTV. That's for everybody that's interested in this one. Head over to investorshangout.com/live, especially if you're interested in joining in on our next live stream.